In this masterclass, we're going to show you how to use a lot of like your own pics, for example. That's a big question that we get all the time, and so let's go over that a little bit. So I'll just open up a page. All right, so I got a blank slate here, and let's say I wanted to use one of my own pictures. Well, if you click on over to the left, provide background pictures. Well, first off, we gotta do a name here. So let me save this page. Okay. If I hit provide background, it's going to ask me to upload an image. Well, I need an image URL. So what happens if they're sitting on my desktop and I don't have an image URL? Well, we're going to show you what to do.